How to cancel one item on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and on today's video I'm excited to demonstrate the process of cancelling an item on Temu. So let's dive right into it. To begin, first of all, open your Temu application and proceed to log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the U tab on the bottom and click on Your Orders. Within your orders, locate the processing tab which is just beside it. This section will display all of your current orders that are in the processing phase. In my section, I haven't ordered anything or nothing is in the processing section. So in order to cancel an item, you have to select the specific order you wish to modify. Click on Cancel Order Help. From there, choose the option to cancel the items and select the particular item within the order that you intend to cancel. Once confirmed, you will be prompted to provide a reason for the cancellation. Explain your reason for the cancellation, and after selecting your refund preference and confirming the cancellation, your item will be successfully cancelled. And also, the refund for that item will be processed within 3 to 6 business days. This is how you can cancel one item on Temu. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.